Hi there, I'm Ryan. I live in North Dallas area. I've used SHR for about 3 or 4 years now, and they've been a tremendous vendor to work with. I found them just doing a quick search online and looking for a company with great reviews, great feedback, and they checked all those boxes, so I gave them a shot. I've got 2 units, kind of in the middle of their life. Good performing units, but certainly need some maintenance from here and there. I've used other AC shops, big, small, different experiences across the board. I found that some of the bigger ones tend to be really expensive. They do come with some bells and whistles, but sometimes it doesn't feel as authentic. The smaller ones, you just never know what you're going to get. SHR has been tremendous through and through. Been working with SHR, they quickly assessed the problem, outlined a few different solutions, gave me some cost benefit to what the outcomes might be, and it was super easy to work with, and just kind of let me know exactly what I was getting myself into. SHR brought a personal touch to the experience that some of the others maybe didn't. The big thing for me in working with some of these other brands versus SHR is straightforward, transparent, honest, very affordable pricing, but again, good quality work. He clearly outlined exactly what he was going to do in doing the work. Very easy, simple process, reaching out to him, give him a call or a text saying, hey, I've got a problem. You coordinate quickly and get on his schedule, something that works for you. He's very reactive to your schedule as opposed to the other way around. Very communicative. And so I think that was a big difference for me is, hey, just a quick text, hey, I'm 10 minutes out, and easy to work with. There's a number of AC companies out there, some good, some bad. The challenge is you never really know what you're getting yourself into, and there's often surprises along the way. SHR is not that way. They're very open and easy to work with. They chat through with you the entire process and let you know costs, what the diagnostic is, and everything that needs to be done to your system. I definitely refer SHR to friends and family. Again, once you find somebody that's a great vendor for your home services, you definitely want to let others know about it.